My name is Dolphin, Nyangara, and I come from Nyamira County, nominated MCA from Jubilee Party. Okay, I have a challenge. This challenge is that I was nominated and I was sworn in as a Nyamira County Assembly nominated MCA, but there's someone who is challenging my nomination. This girl is challenging my nomination. There are people who have been intimidating me. They have been frustrating me ever since I came to office. They have been sending me messages with threats, and today they became so serious. These harassments have become so serious that I decided to come to the press today. In the morning, I went to the police and I reported. I took an OB and I saw the DCI and the police. They told me they are going to follow up this case, having in the Court of Appeal right now. The person who started this case is one Honorable Steve Mwaka, who is from West Mogrango MP. The West Mogrango MP is the one who started this case, but I don't know why he's challenging my nomination. Yet, he was in Azimio, but right now he has shown some signs of moving to another party, the UDA party. And I am in the Azimio coalition, whereby I'm led by the SG Gikioni, whereby we are still in Azimio. We are still not ready to move to the other parties. I don't know why the MP is challenging me right now. One number has been noted, and the person I have already given the police, the person who wrote the messages. The other number that wrote a message yesterday, I don't know the number. I don't know the person who sent the message. It is actually from an unknown number, a telecom number. Yes, the message says that I'm going to be found in Yala River. My body is going to be found in Yala River, and this thing is really stressing me. So finally, I just want to confirm that this will not bow to I will not bow to threats and intimidation, because they are telling me to withdraw my case in the Court of Appeal. That is the message they are passing to me. I withdraw the case so that I can live in peace. And I have gone to school, even though sometimes they say that I'm not fit to legislate. I have gone to school. I have gone to Pwani University and I studied general agriculture. I went to Nairobi University. I studied human resource management. I don't know why they keep saying that I can't manage this MCA seat. So this is the message I want to pass to them, that I am capable of being a Jubilee party. All I want to say is that let the government check on the security of the MCAs, because we are threatened right, left.